Now, to give us more information on this, we are being joined by my colleague Pranshu on the phone line. Pranshu, if you could give us more information about the significance of the day today, what will this order mean?
Yes, this order is important in the sense that, there has been this demand, as you said, by a section of lawyers on the Hindu side who are seeking a carbon dating of that structure which is under the dispute. Now, it has been opposed by the Muslim side on two grounds. One, that it is, it is a different issue and it doesn't relate directly to the basic demand of this petition, which is in fact the demand of allowing the petitioners daily access to the Ma Shringar Gauri engravings on the mosque wall and where worship should be done. So they say that those original issues should be addressed. They say that the second point which they have objected to is that carbon dating is generally done on fossils, on remains, on biological remains to ascertain their age. They are not done on the structures which have been the non-living objects. And so on the basis of these 2 points, the Muslim side has objected to it. Now, interestingly, a section of Hindu petitioners itself, including Rakhi Singh, have objected to this petition that was moved by Vishnu Jain, one of the lawyers in this case, saying that doing any sort of carbon dating or trying to carve out any portion of that structure would actually be maybe an insult to that structure, would be an inappropriate act as per the religion, and therefore it should be objected to. However, the court on the last hearing has said that on 7th of October it is going to take a final call on this petition. So we are expecting that in the day's course today, the court will be deciding that whether it thinks that carbon dating procedure should be allowed or not. But interestingly, Vinaya, there is already a similar case which is still being argued in front of Allahabad High Court, where the demand of ASI probe has already been made and the court is already hearing up that case. So will the district judge court intervene on this petition even as the High Court is hearing the case? That needs to be seen.
Well, we are also being joined by our colleague Saurabh. Saurabh, if you could give us information about, clearly at a point when this judgment is going to come, whichever way it goes, there is a possibility that there will be a further legal entanglement into this.
Yes, because there is a controversy in this petition. There is a rift between the two sides. Is from the Rekha Singh, the petitioner number 1, and 4 others, the other side, because both have differences in their petition, saying the Rekha Singh side says that the carbon dating and DPR process should not be there because it will harm the structure. That will not go in favor of, the Sanatan belief that the structure would be harmed. Whereas the other side, all the 4 petitioners of the Hindu group, they are in the favor of carbon dating. So, in fact, the petition was filed by Anjuman Intizamiya also, saying that the Supreme Court, they had approached Supreme Court and Supreme Court gave the direction to preserve the structure, and it was given for the district magistrate. Now, Anjuman Intizamiya and Rekha Singh, lawyer Vishnu Singh, they are in the favor of not, having a survey of the structure that was found in the Wuzu Khana of mosque. Now, the order regarding this petition is expected today in the second half of the day at around 2 p.m.
Saurabh, there's some problem with the audio. Thank you for the information. Right now, moving on, there's some breaking news.